going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are talking about Facebook, and specifically Facebook groups, also known as free traffic sanctioned by Facebook. And so Facebook groups is a really nice source of free traffic. It's a great source, but you have to be aware of how to properly navigate it, because it could be a minefield in several aspects. And that's kind of true with any free traffic sources, that you kind of have to know how to do it, because free traffic is a little bit trickier than paid traffic. And the benefit is that it's free. The disadvantage is you kind of have to know how to do it correctly. It requires a little bit of more work. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can promote MaxBounty offers using Facebook groups, so that you don't have any doubts, you know exactly what to do. And so this could be another income source for you when you combine it with some of the other things that you're doing, or maybe this is the only one that you're going to be doing. It's really up to you. My goal here is to give you options, to give you ideas, to get you to think outside the box. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, so here I am in my Facebook account, and I basically went here and typed entrepreneurship, okay? And I see a lot of groups here. I also see some pages, some events. Lots of things are happening. And that is because Facebook is really a community at the core. It's about building a walled garden of people coming in, sharing their content, and getting more people in, right? That's really the idea. That's why that's how Facebook functions as a company, as a business in many ways. And so when you are in MaxBounty, right, so what you need to be thinking, and really the two kinds of offers that you can promote on Facebook groups, and theoretically you can promote a lot more offers, but really, you know, practically speaking, you can really promote two kinds of offers. The first type is these sweepstakes, gift cards, giveaways, things like that, right? And you're gonna find them a lot. Like, for instance, if I type gift, here you're gonna find offers like these, right? And these offers are very general, right? So there's a gift card grabber Amazon, there's a grocery gift card, $22.55 per lead. You know, they're kind of all over the place. They're like sweepstakes. And so there's a lot of people who are interested in gift cards, winning a gift card, you know, completing surveys for gift cards, things like that. So you could potentially promote these kinds of offers. If we go into Facebook groups and you say gift card, you're gonna find groups that are interested. So there's free gift cards, app gift card buyer, and I can click on see all, and I can see a ton of other groups, right? Amazon gift cards, right? We buy Amazon gift cards, gift card market buy, giveaway, get Visa gift card, free Amazon. And so before I tell you how to promote these offers, let me tell you the second type of offer that you can promote. And this is, in my opinion, probably a little bit easier to promote. It really depends on your experience. Some people really like gift cards and sweepstakes and things like that. Me personally, I like more of these kind of niche offers. And these are lead gen offers, okay? And these are going to be lead gen niche offers, okay? So an example, and I've probably talked about this before, would be something like Treehouse. Learn how to code, okay? And this is it's also a $240 per lead. It's actually, if they signed up, it's actually free trial, right? Try the Treehouse 7-day free trial. And this offer is really easy, right? There's no BS, there's no hidden tricks, there's no fine print. It's basically your regular lead generation offer, right? You basically give out the link, and if they sign up for a free trial, you get $240 per lead. If they sign up for a subscription, you get 40% of sale, 80% of sale. So MaxBounty actually has a lot of these lead gen offers, right? A lot of people don't realize this, but you know, MaxBounty has a lot of different offers, right? It has also e-commerce products, right? Like physical products you can sell. But you know, that's just not gonna work with our method. But it has a lot of these lead gen offers, right? So an example would be something like Skillshare. You can go on here and you have Skillshare, free trial, 8 per lead, 32-cent EPC, and they allow social, which is what Facebook is, right? Another one is LinkedIn Learning, right? LinkedIn Learning is another kind of offer that you can promote, 32 per lead, 32-cent EPC, and they allow They don't allow Facebook, but that's okay. You can have a bridge page, and then you're able to promote it. Or you can have a little website, and then you're able to promote it. Okay, and I'm gonna get to that in a second. So don't be discouraged if you don't see social. If you do see social, then you can promote it straight. If you don't, you have to put in a little bit of more work. So it really depends on where you are. If you want to do it extra, if you don't, it's really kind of depending on what you want to do. So you cannot, but you can go into services here, and you're going to find a lot of other offers, right? So for instance, they have grocery deliveries, right? So you can go into a group that talks about grocery deliveries and do that, right? They have Start a Career Today. So another kind of offer that works really well is another niche offer, and this would be something like Pimsleur Learn a Language, okay? And that is because there's a lot of groups where you can basically learn a language. Learn a language. Learn a language. Okay, you can go in here and you can basically talk about. So these are pages. They also have groups, of course, where you can basically go in there and you can do that, right? So you can go in here and you can search them here. Groups, language exchange partners group, right? To learn the language. And let me tell you a little bit, a couple of more offers that you can promote, and then I'm gonna tell you the strategy you need in order to promote them, so that you're not spamming, so that you actually deliver value and people like what they see, okay? So that is very important. So another category that I really, really like, people who are just starting to build a business. This kind of make money online, but kind of a subset of that, right? Because make money online really talks about everything under the sun. But like something like for entrepreneurs, hiring a freelancer. If I want to hire a freelancer, I could do it on Fiverr. This is a great offer. So we have Fiverr, hire a freelancer, you're getting 80%. Right? Entrepreneur is a very wide group, right? So you can promote it anywhere you want. So if I go into groups, you can basically, you have millionaire mindset, you have women helping women entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs only 200,000. And this is where you can pretty much promote all kinds of offers, okay? Another category that I want to bring to your attention is the make money online category. And this is make money from home. And this is different. This is different from entrepreneurs, because this is about side hustles. This is very different. For instance, I'm an entrepreneur, but I don't use those offers to make money. I make money by starting businesses. And that is the difference between entrepreneurship and make money online. And so this make money online, let me tell you a couple of offers you can promote. The first offer is called Inbox Dollars. And this is an offer that basically pays people to fill out surveys, things like that. You go into Inbox Dollars, you go into US offer here, and we should be approved for that offer. And we are. And you can promote this offer. It says new users also receive $5 for joining. And this is basically stay-at-home moms, people that want a little bit of side income. They're not going to get like super rich from this, these kinds of offers, right? But they're going to be able to make extra money from this. And this is a very popular offer. It's being promoted everywhere. So you're not going to have a problem. Another one that I recommend in this kind of make money online, side hustle niche, not to be confused with entrepreneurship, would be something like Survey Junkie, right? This is another one, a very, very nice offer that you can promote. Survey Junkie US, incentive, $1 per lead, $3 per lead, depending on which one you pick. There's double opt-in, $3 per lead. There's single opt-in, $180 per lead. So you have a lot of options. Another one is called Vindale. This is Vindale Research, and I believe it's also about some questionnaires, giving your opinion, and you have a chance to make some money. Here's a double opt-in. Here's one field. It's small. It's the payout is less than this double opt-in. So it really depends on what you want to promote, right? So these are, right, if you combine Vindale, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, all of these can be promoted in these make money online, right? In this kind of, right, so something like Single Moms. I think there's also a group that I've seen, Single Moms Club. 5 struggling single support group, find inspiration, single moms and dads. So there's like single moms, moms from home or something like that. I think I've seen a group, moms working from home and loving it, right? So there you go. Share your legitimate work, earn at home opportunities and help others, right? And so this is, and this is exactly where you go and you basically promote these Vindale research. So if I go into Vindale, double opt-in, we should be already approved for it. And let's go and open this offer. And this is Service USA. We're gonna open this right here, and you're gonna have Pinecone Research. This is another one. My Points is another one. There's a lot of them. Points Club. All of these are much better than the sweepstakes and all of these things that make people fill out like 50 pages of information. You can basically promote these offers inside the groups. Okay, you can do that. And so, like I mentioned before, if you're having problems with basically they don't allow social, then what you need to do is you need to go into Google, and I'm going to show, and this does require a little bit more work, just so that I put it out there, right? But you know, that's the price you pay, right? If you want to promote an offer that doesn't allow social, and Facebook is social, you have to do something else. And I'm going to show you what you can do. And you basically Google for something like this: top 20 work from home jobs. Okay, and you're going to get examples of basically sites that are doing what you're doing. So for instance, let's say we do, and we want to type something like Vindel Research, because we want them to promote the stuff that we are promoting. So there's the Frugal Professor. We're going to open this page, and I'm going to show you how they're promoting it. And so if you decide to promote this method, this is no longer social. This is all contextual now, because you actually have a website, and you're getting traffic from everywhere. And so when they click on the link, it's contextual. And so here's a page, the Frugal Professor, I suppose. And so they have 11 best work-at-home companies hiring. And so what you need to do is you need to basically create this piece of content. And you can do it on medium.com. You can also do it on your own site. And I highly, highly suggest creating your own site. Something like this, the Frugal Mom, and that's probably taken. The Frugal Dad is probably taken. But if it's not, it's a great domain. Go to my description. Click the Bluehost, get yourself a Bluehost account for like $3 a month or $4 a month or something super cheap, dirt cheap, and you can basically register it right there. It's going to take you 5 minutes, and you're going to have a website. And once you have a website, it's called a contextual link now. Okay, it's called a contextual link because you're going to be getting traffic here, and they're going to be browsing this traffic, and once they click, it's a contextual link, and so you'll be able to promote contextual offers here. Opinion in Survey Junkie. There's a couple of Survey Taken is another one, right? Life Points is another one. And this is a huge, huge niche. It's not entrepreneurship, like I said. It's kind of make money online. This is what was that group? Moms working from home, work from home moms and dads. 92,000 members, 57,000, 111,000. So these people are not looking for they might be, but generally they just want an offer where they can sign up and start making money. They're not necessarily building a business. They might be. I'm not saying they're not, but most of the time they're going to be they're looking for little jobs here and there. And this is where you're actually going to MaxBounty. You're going to go into Surveys USA, and you're going to be basically promoting these offers. You're going to be basically Googling for something similar, and you're going to find similar offers that you can promote. Now, how do you promote them on Facebook? Okay, this is very, very important to understand. You do not want to spam. Okay, you want to join the group. You want to learn about what's happening, right? And you want to get a feel for it. You don't want to join and start spamming. I've ran groups before, and I see this all the time. People joining and spamming, and I would just ban them in 5 seconds. So do not do that. They have admins. They're going to ban you. You want to build rapport. You want to create value. You want to bring value to the table. That's what you want to do. Now, of course, once you build value, you can basically shorten the link and say, hey, this is a really nice work from home opportunity. I've done it, or I've read about it, or I've heard other people have done it. They make money with it. That's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it, and this is the recommended way, is to create a little website. Okay, something like the Frugal Prof, and just basically do what they're doing. There's another one called Dollar Sprout. There's tons of them, right? So, I just Googled basically top 20 work from home jobs within the research, and there's a lot of them, right? And these are all legit sites. Bankrate.com, Dreamshop, well, I don't know, a lot of them. Millennial Money, I've seen that site before. And so this is a legit site, and you're going to be a lot more credible if you basically create a site like this. And it's not going to take a long time. I have many sites like this. And you basically go here, and then you paste that link and say, hey, this is a site I run. I highly recommend it. And you're bringing value, right? You have a picture. You don't have to have your own picture. You can have an avatar. It's up to you. You can have your own picture if you want. And this is a real site. They have an advertiser disclosure. They have this disclosure. Now, in my opinion, this is the recommended way. You don't have to do it. You can basically do it the link way, but for me, I would only do it this way. You're bringing more value, and it's just gonna bring you long. It's just gonna make you more money, and it's gonna last you a longer time period, right? It's gonna it's just gonna be a lot more worth it using this way. And this is kind of what I recommend. Get yourself a Bluehost account using my link below. It's gonna take you 5 minutes. You're gonna have a site ready. You can basically, from the moment you create the website to the moment that you're going to advertise, it's probably going to be like half an hour. You can basically create something like this, paraphrase this article here, and basically advertise it on the groups. And in my opinion, this is the best way, because I could be inside the group, I could have my own site, and I could basically advertise the content. But you can do it however you want. My job is to give you options, right? So you have options. And so that is how you do it. I don't want to make the video too long, just to reiterate. You can do kind of free stuff, freebies, gift cards, things like that. There's a big market, lots of people looking for it. And the other one is these niche products, right? Niche offers. Make money online, entrepreneur offers, hiring a freelancer. There's another one called 99 Designs, where you can get designs for content. And this is specifically for entrepreneurs. It's not going to be for, work-at-home moms or anything like that. We have logo contests, 44 per lead generation. Legit offer, right? Do they allow Facebook? They do allow Facebook. So you don't need to create a website. I know you're probably dreading creating a website, but, I would create a website. I create lots of websites. I basically create a new website every week and, do all kinds of stuff. I may make a video about it later on if you like, but that's kind of my strategy, and I want to tell you the best way of going about it. And so that is how you do it. That is what I wanted to talk about in this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. There is no bad question. There's only bad answer. So make sure you ask any kind of question you want. I don't want you to have any doubts. Or if you have a comment, I would love to hear what you have to say, even if it's constructive criticism. Just if you're friendly and you're cool about it, I'm ready to accept any kind of criticism. I'm always interested to hear what you have to say. So that's that. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We talk about making money online using very innovative and interesting, unique methods that a lot of others are not discussing. So definitely stay tuned. We have a new video every single day. You're going to learn something new, guaranteed. You can always unsubscribe if you are not enjoying the content. So you have that option. All right, guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.